Hello, Tyler Peters with Falcon Asphalt Repair Equipment, here to talk about our industry-leading asphalt hotboxes and recyclers. Falcon manufactures hotbox recycler trailers from 2 tons to 6 tons. We also manufacture slip-ins and hook lifts from 2 tons up to the industry's only 10-ton hotbox recycler. Our simple-to-operate machines are designed to do 3 things. They keep hot asphalt hot for up to 72 hours. They quickly warm cold mix to a nice, workable temperature, allowing for a more semi-permanent patch. They will also recycle asphalt chunks, millings, and virgin uncompressed asphalt that in the past was considered waste. Up front, behind our highly adjustable hitch, we can see our locking storage container that houses our electric over hydraulic pump and controller that engages our dual cylinder dump system. Attached to the rear of the storage box, we will find our cylinder block. This locks the dump chassis in the up position while completing burner inspection and maintenance. Our dual marine-grade deep cycle batteries are located here in weather-protected housings. The fully automated weatherproof charging system, powered by standard 110 volt, is located directly underneath. As we walk toward the back, please take note that there are pre-drilled and tabbed mounting locations for options such as tack tanks, spray systems, compactor baskets, and lifting hoists that can turn this machine into a full patching operation. Our 110 volt standard outlet is located here. This is how we maintain battery charge to ensure a full 8-hour shift. It is very important to plug this machine in after every use and during storage to properly maintain the onboard batteries for long shifts and long battery life. Here at the front of the hopper, we find our standard 24-hour timer, which will enable you to preset the hotbox to operate even when no one is around. The timer is powered by 110 volts, so the machine must be attached to power to activate this timer. Our rear-facing stainless steel constructed exhaust allows the machine to operate at highway speeds and at full dump. Just below, you'll find our 105,000 BTU diesel-fired Beckett burners. This machine is our 4-ton recycler, indicated by the 2 Beckett burners. The hopper burner is located at the lowest point of the hotbox because heat rises. The Beckett burner is attached to our patented 5-year maintenance-free, one-piece, seamless, vacuum-formed ceramic combustion chamber. This third-party tested combustion chamber is how Falcon machines burn less than 3 gallons of fuel per 8-hour shift. The heater from our burner is then sent through the patented heat management system, directing heat to the floor, all the way around the machine up to the top caps, encasing the material in regulated and controlled heat. The upper or recycler burner heats the cross members located in the side of the hopper. This burner is only to be used for recycling. The material loading doors are held in place both in the closed and material loading positions with locking pins. While in the closed or transport position, the handles are secured with the top pin. To open the doors for loading and cleanout, simply pull both pins, slide the handles out all the way, then pull down towards the box to open the door. Once open, make sure to secure the handles in place with this pin. The doors cannot open further than the handles will allow, but Falcon adds additional fail-safes by installing these blocks to ensure the material loading doors are secure. Falcon also uses triple wall construction. The exterior steel wall is followed by a ceramic-based blanket insulation to the midwall. A baffled air gap is between the midwall and the 10-gauge structural steel inner wall or material wall. The machine is so well insulated that the outer wall will not become much warmer than ambient temperature, keeping operators safe and the material hot by keeping the heat where it belongs. At the rear of the machine, we find our NEMA 3 rated lockable control panel box that houses our digital thermostat, control switches, as well as our voltage interruption protection indicator. Falcon's patented VIP will disrupt power only to the Beckett burners when voltage drops below Beckett's recommended level. Basic machine functions will continue to operate, and our ceramic-based machine insulation will keep the material warm until voltage is restored. Our guillotine-style material metering offloading door is the largest offered in the industry at 30 inches wide. The operating handle's offset design allows the operator to watch for oncoming traffic while metering the flow of material. It has 3 stages: closed, metered, and fully open. Our shoveling platform is seamless with the floor of the machine, so material is easily accessed. The shoveling apron is also heated out to here, sending heat outside the hot box to keep material warm during normal patching procedures. Finally, we have our 15-gallon double-walled fuel tank. Fuel is internally drawn from the rear of the tank, providing the electronic fuel-injected burners with fuel to operate even at full dump. Safety is paramount at Falcon, which is why you've noticed during this walk, all primary functions are located on the curb side of the machine. This will keep the operator's exposure to traffic side to a minimum. Our material unloading door operation, the weather-protected control panel, our tool holders, and even our tongue jack is located on the right side of the machine. I'd like to thank you for joining us for this brief tour of our Falcon hot boxes and recyclers. If you would like to learn more or have questions about what options are available to better suit your specific needs, please visit our website at www.falconrme.com or give your local Falcon dealer a call. Thank you.